This is a shrimp scampi with artichokes, y'all. So while you're draining our noodles, Cheryl, I'm gonna get started on our shrimp scampi.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use about a half a stick of butter and some olive oil. Cheryl has just drained our angel hair spaghetti. Shrimp scampi is one of those wonderful dishes that doesn't take long at all to
Steam
fix.
bath.
Yes, I'm gonna come over here and just knock 3 cloves of garlic, and then I'm gonna ask you to chop me up about 1/3 cup of basil.
Okay.
And then we'll squirt the lemon juice on it the last second.
Sounds good.
But I'm just gonna need this to go in the pot pretty quickly.
Uh-huh.
While you're doing that, Cheryl, I'm gonna finish taking the tails off my shrimp. I'd gotten started and didn't finish it.
Okay.
So I've got probably a couple of pounds of a medium-sized shrimp. And you know, I've told y'all before, Michael and I argue about tails on or tails off.
So who wins?
I do.
Of course.
The cook gets to win.
Absolutely.
But for this particular dish, I am gonna take the tails off.
Okay.
If you'd measure me out about 1/3 cup,
Okay.
we're gonna use a nice light white wine. We're gonna add that to our garlic and our butter and our olive oil. And in goes our garlic.
Okay. It's quick, isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
I love it. I'm gonna add our wine
Okay.
and just let that reduce for a second. You can go ahead and toss in our basil.
Okay.
I've got some flaked red pepper.
Okay.
I'm gonna just put a pinch. I've got some wonderful Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
If you would be
Sounds
grating that
good.
for me, I'm gonna toss in our shrimp. Ooh,
Fresh. How much do you think we need, Paula?
about 1/2 cup, that should do it.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Look at this, Cheryl.
Oh, that looks good.
Let's get a little bit more basil in there. You want
Oh,
to?
sure.
Yeah,
And
just
then,
a little bit more.
So, Paula, what's the secret to not overcooking your shrimp?
Just when it's lost its transparency, Cheryl, is when it's done.
Okay.
You can see how that's still transparent.
Right.
You
Okay.
want that to go away.
So it just gets that pretty little pink color.
Yes. You know what? And I knew that I would do this, y'all.
Put a little butter.
All right, now we have the whole stick of butter in there. Now I'm adding a jar of marinated artichoke hearts that I've drained.
So good.
Honey, we've got enough shrimp for an army.
I know.
These have just about lost its transparency. All right,
Okay.
now why don't you...
Get a little pasta for us.
Yeah, get us a little pasta.
Okay.
Oh, you got tongs.
I
Good.
have tongs. That looks perfect.
Yes. Want to make sure you get some of that garlic and
Oh, thanks,
I want to wait. I want to make sure you get some of this wonderful juice
Okay.
too.
It's good.
Wonderful
Oh,
sauce
man.
on it.
We're gonna put a little bit of cheese. So now I have another meal. Ooh, that was a lot of cheese to add to my repertoire for Griff.
I mean, how easy is
He
this?
will love that. That was really easy.
Uh-oh, I'm getting too many shrimp.
Oops, lost one.
We lost a fella.
Okay, let me get you some.
And we've got all this wonderful basil from out of the garden, so I'll just put that right there. Okay, honey, come on down here. I got our napkins and I got our silverware ready. Okay. To you, baby.
That's so good. Thank you for teaching me how to make this, adding this to my repertoire.
You are so welcome. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.